Hello, finance enthusiasts and budding Wall Street moguls. And welcome to Investing Lighthouse, where we explore the world of investing. Today, we have an extraordinary adventure ahead as we delve into the remarkable insights of Cathie Wood, the visionary leader navigating the ARK Invest ship. Get ready for an unconventional finance discussion unlike any other. We'll navigate through her recent forecasts on disruptive innovation and the intriguing possibility of a deflationary bust. Are you prepared to embark on this thrilling voyage of discovery? Secure your seatbelts and have your note-taking tools at the ready, for we are about to set sail. Cathie Wood is the visionary founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Invest, a firm committed to seeking out and investing in disruptive innovation. Born and raised in Los Angeles, Wood's interest in finance began at a young age. She kick-started her illustrious career with an economics degree, a stepping stone that led her to work as an economist and a portfolio manager for 2 decades, before spending 12 years at AllianceBernstein as their chief investment officer, where she managed $5 billion. After proving her mettle, she took the plunge in 2014 and founded ARK Invest. Her goal? To focus on disruptive innovation, the kind that could change the world. Her audacity to embrace the new and the novel has cemented her position as one of the most prominent and scrutinized female investors of our time. Now, Wood has an intriguing view on the inflation versus deflation debate. Contrary to the widespread fears of inflation, Wood predicts a higher likelihood of a deflationary bust. She argues that we're experiencing an environment ripe for good deflation, caused by technologically enabled innovation, which tends to lower costs. Wood argues that tech stocks, especially those tied to disruptive innovation, are likely to benefit most in a deflationary environment. In her view, during deflationary periods, companies that can do more with less, often those at the forefront of technological innovation, have an edge. In this world, tech stocks aren't just survivors. They're the champions. They're the stocks designed to thrive in a deflationary landscape. Wood's investment philosophy is not for the faint-hearted. She invests in the future, in disruptive innovation. Think artificial intelligence, genomics, renewable energy, and autonomous vehicles. According to Wood, these sectors could propel the market value of disruptive innovation from its current $13 trillion to an eye-watering $200 trillion by 2030. That's a possible annual growth rate of 40%. Picture the late 1990s tech bubble, a time when technologies were still budding and their costs were sky-high, leading to an irrational valuation of tech stocks. Now, fast forward to the present day. Wood asserts that the tech scene today is drastically different. The technological innovations have matured, costs have significantly dropped, and they're ready to solve real-world problems. This, she believes, is a once-in-a-century opportunity. She encourages looking at young technology companies with robust balance sheets and strong sales growth, which she considers to be the future of the tech industry. Despite the current market volatility, she remains confident about the potential for growth in disruptive technologies. While acknowledging the risks associated with investing in such companies, she emphasizes the importance of thoroughly understanding the company's business model and long-term prospects. Wood's prediction of a deflationary environment rather than an inflationary one has raised eyebrows. While many fear inflation due to massive government spending and supply chain disruptions, Wood points to factors like rapid technological innovation and productivity gains as forces that could lead to deflation. Add to this the potential for decreased demand if unemployment rises as she predicts, and you have a recipe for deflation. Wood's deflationary outlook considers several factors. Interest rates, for instance, have been ramping up at a rate not seen in decades, a pattern that historically precedes economic slowdowns. According to her, the Fed's aggressive rate hikes have gone too far, too fast. The rate at which they've increased is unprecedented, and she believes it could spark a deflationary bust. Additionally, most commodity prices have dropped significantly from their peaks, hinting at weakening demand. Another critical piece of the puzzle supporting Wood's deflationary outlook is the inverted yield curve. This phenomenon occurs when short-term interest rates exceed long-term ones, often seen as a precursor to recession. Early this year, the yield curve inverted by over 100 basis points, which, according to Wood, is particularly worrisome. Wood's warning of this inversion is not without precedent. She draws parallels with the early 1980s, when the yield curve was also inverted by 100 basis points. This was followed by a period of economic uncertainty, and Wood fears we might be heading in the same direction. But why is today's scenario more worrisome? Well, it's all relative. The early 1980s inversion occurred when interest rates were at an astronomical level, around 15%. So, a 100 basis point move was less impactful. Today, however, with rates being much lower, a similar shift is proportionally larger and potentially more damaging. Whether you're a devout follower or a staunch skeptic of Cathie Wood, one thing is undeniable. She brings a fresh perspective to the investment world. Unwavering in her strategy and fearless in her risk-taking, Wood is no stranger to the highs and lows of the finance world. As she navigates through economic complexities, her vision remains focused on the horizon, identifying and investing in disruptive innovation. For Wood, the key to success lies in the ability to anticipate change and adapt accordingly. Cathie Wood doesn't just see a world changed by technology. She sees a world improved by it. Her optimism for technological advancement isn't limited to its potential for profitability, but extends to its potential for solving real-world problems. For her, this isn't just about making savvy investments. It's about fostering a future where innovation drives progress. Only time will tell if Cathie Wood's audacious predictions will come to fruition. However, her unwavering focus on disruptive innovation and her conviction in the face of uncertainty continues to make her a fascinating figure in the world of finance. As we navigate this ever-evolving financial landscape, one thing is certain: keeping an eye on visionaries like Wood can offer valuable insights. So, keep learning, keep investing, and remember, as Wood herself might say, the future is closer than you think. We're eager to hear your thoughts and feedback, so please feel free to leave your comments in the section below. If you found this video informative and useful, please show us some love by smashing that thumbs up button and subscribing to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.